Ninja is discovering things because he's very inquisitive. Oh, what have you found, Mr. Ninja? Something to have a fight with. I wonder what that could be. Oh, it's only Marvel, isn't it? What is wrong with you, mister? Yeah, you give him a kiss and a lick when I'm around, and when I'm not around, I know exactly what you get up to, don't I, Marvel? He wants to have a scrap. You're Mr. Lazy, and you are Mr. Attitude, aren't you? Now, Marvel's sitting next to me. Say hello to everyone, Marvel. Come on, you beautiful boy. He just wants to relax, Ninja. That's all he wants to do. But you want to have a scrap, don't you?